Back to school can create feelings of fresh starts and new beginnings. It is a great time to focus your enthusiasm towards your own health and well-being. Below are some tried and true strategies that will help. Define your goals. Begin with a clear vision. Determine specifically what your goals are alongside with a realistic time frame for completion. Start with weight loss of 5 pounds, healthy meal planning, or some form of fitness for 3 of 7 days. Then build momentum from there as you keep your promises to yourself and see progress. Be sure to schedule your activities into your schedule to help ensure follow through. Plan your meals, ABCs of nutrition. You have heard you are what you eat, and this is particularly true when it comes to weight loss. Nutrition plays a pivotal role in weight loss. If you take time to plan meals that include a mix of lean protein, healthy fats, and colorful vegetables, you will find your weight loss journey more predictable and enjoyable. Whether you plan your meals for the week or one day at a time, having a plan helps you avoid grabbing unhealthy selections when you are stressed or in a hurry. Master time management. Find more balance in your life to calm the chaos. One of the biggest challenges with school, work, and life in general is managing your time effectively. However, finding a way to manage your time effectively is key to juggling all that you have going on in your life. It is easy to put yourself last. Yet, when you schedule regular exercise sessions, meal times, time with family and friends, and moments of relaxation, you will find greater peace of mind and happiness. Block scheduling is a great way to make this happen, along with brief times to stretch and clear your mind when you're focusing on school or work projects. Move your body. Motion is the magic potion. Exercise isn't just for your body, it's great for your mind and a great stress reliever. Engage in activities you enjoy, whether it's walking, yoga, dancing, or team sports. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity aerobic activity per week, complemented by strength training exercises. Consider joining school clubs or fitness classes to stay motivated and make friends who share your wellness goals. Staying active helps to keep you young as well. Sleep soundly. Rest is your study buddy. Quality sleep is often underestimated. However, it is crucial for weight loss as well as success in school, at work, and life in general. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of sleep each night. It will help if you establish a regular sleep routine by going to bed and waking up around the same time each day. Create a conducive sleep environment by keeping your room cool, dark, and as quiet as possible. White noise has been found to be very helpful for many to block outside noise. Adequate sleep will boost your energy level, mood, and overall health. Stay hydrated. Water is an essential school supply. Don't forget to stay hydrated. Carry a reusable water bottle with you throughout the day. Drinking water not only supports weight loss by promoting satiety, but also enhances your brain functions and ability to concentrate. Avoid sugary beverages and opt for water, herbal teas, or infused water with slices of fruit for added flavor. Be mindful when eating. Savor every bite. Eating mindfully is about paying attention to the present moment and savoring your food. Avoid distractions while eating, such as scrolling through your phone. Eat at the table. Chew your food slowly. Put your fork down between bites. Savor the flavors and conversation when applicable. This practice not only helps you enjoy your meals, but also prevents overeating by giving your brain time to signal when you're full. By following this essential back-to-school plan of action, you are not only investing in your health, but also setting a strong foundation for long-term success. Without proper nutrition, regular exercise, and keeping self-care promises to yourself, you will find yourself experiencing weight loss more quickly and actually enjoying the journey along the way. Baby steps lead to measurable small results that build momentum and continued goal attainment. While each of these actions requires dedication, consistency, and a positive attitude, it is well worth the 8+ effort. Celebrate your achievements, no matter how small, and be kind to yourself if you encounter setbacks. If you want an experienced, board-certified medical weight loss specialist and caring team to help keep you accountable and support you along the way, please reach out to us at healthymeweightloss.com.